Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you about the clinical trials. Clinical trials are systemic investigations involving human participants to assess the safety, efficacy, and outcome of the new medical interventions. These interventions can include drugs, treatment, devices, or the preventive measures. The process is crucial for advancing medical knowledge, developing new therapies, and ensuring the patient safety. Phases of clinical trials. Firstly, there are preclinical trials in which the drug is tested on the animals like rodents for the safety of the drug. Then there is clinical trials. The clinical trials basically involve five stages, that is phase 0. Phase 0 is the exploratory studies to the test a small dose of a drug in a few people to gather preliminary data on its safety and how it is proceed in the body. Then there is phase 1. In phase 1, small group of participants like 20 to 80 participants are tested to determine the drug's safety, dosage and range and side effects of the drug. Then there is phase 2. Larger groups like 100 to 300 peoples receive the treatment to assess its effectiveness and further evaluates its safety. Then phase 3. This phase involves large scale testing like 1000 to 3000 peoples to confirm the treatment's effectiveness, monitor the side effects and compare its commonly used treatments. Then there is phase 4, which is also known as post marketing surveillance. In post marketing surveillance, after the treatment is approved and on the market, monitoring for long term effectiveness and its benefits. In the clinical trials, there are two forms, INDA is submitted before conducting the clinical trials on human body, and there is NDA, which is approved for the post marketing surveillance of the drug. Then there is trial design. Trial design involves randomized control trial, double blinded trials, and placebo control. In randomized control trial, participants are randomly assigned to either the experiment or a control group or minimizing the bias. Then there is double blinded studies. Neither the participants nor the researchers know who is receiving the experimental treatment to reducing the bias. Then there is placebo control. Some participants receive a placebo to compare against those receiving the actual interventions. Then there is informed consent form. The participants are provided with detailed information about the trial, including its purpose, potential risk and benefits, and the rights to withdraw at any time. Informed consent ensures ethical conduct and respect for participants' autonomy. Participants recruitment and eligibility. Participants are selected based on the specific criteria such as age, medical history, medical history, and the nature of the interventions being studied. Diverse participants populations help ensure the generalizability of the result. Regulatory oversights. Clinical trials adhere to strict regulatory guidelines and are overseen by ethics committee and regulatory authorities. These measures ensure participant safety, ethical conduct, and reliability of trial results. Then there is data collection and analysis. Rigorous data collection methods, including monitoring adverse events and endpoints, contribute to the reliability of trial results. Statistical analysis is employed to interpret the data and draw meaningful conclusions. Benefits and risk. While clinical trials offer the potential for groundbreaking advancements, participants may be exposed to the unknown risk. And rigorous oversights and informed consent processes aim to balance the potential benefits with a potential harm. In summary, the clinical trials are essential for advancing medical science, ensuring the safety and efficacy of the interventions, and providing evidence based on healthcare. The rigorous methodologies, ethical considerations, and regulatory oversights collectively contribute to the integrity and reliability of the clinical trial outcomes. So that's all about the clinical trials. Thank you.